Well, back on with the undersealing this morning here at Dynodaze. This Colt Ralliart 3-door is in for an underseal and a bit of a tidy up. Everyone seems to be wanting this done at the moment, getting themselves ready for winter, protecting their cars. Now on the Mitsubishi Colt, Mitsubishi were quite stingy with the protection underneath, so this is money well spent. So if you guys need any of this, let us know. We'll be making videos and taking photographs as we go. So whilst we haven't seen this car in the workshop, we do know a few of its owners. So there's definitely some Dynodaze parts on here. I think we've got some lowering springs and a catback Scorpion exhaust, but the engine base fairly standard. Scorpion exhaust, H&R springs, very nice. Yeah, it needs a little bit of a tidy under here. It's not too bad at all, really. So as a preventative measure, this is exactly where we need to be. I've seen better subframes, but yeah, the actual body of the car is solid and it's not as bad as we see some of them. So yeah, Jason is going to go around, remove all the surface rust, and then get the wax all warmed up. You looking forward to that, Jason?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, boy.
There's the oily, my friend.
It's had a bit of a knock, ain't it? That's why.
Someone's had grips on that, so undo it. Or tighten it up.
Tighten it up. I thought it might have had a little bit of a knock.
I reckon they've undone that and then put the old filter back on.
Why would they do such a thing?
Because some people are stupid, Daniel.
Well, let's speak to the customer and see if he wants a filter.
Twisted. You're better off taking a photo of it.
Oh, okay. So perhaps a couple of lower arms then at some point in the near future.
Yes.
So let me take a photograph, see if we can explain that. So the Colt is done, other than Jason cleaning some areas off that we've got overspray on from the underseal. But yeah, that's another job complete. You've just got to put the wheels back on, but I'm now going to do a video show you underneath her. Starting at the boot floor, all lovely. As you can see, moving round into this arch, all lovely. And obviously, as you can see on the photographs previous, we've treated a few rust areas. So as we've removed the rust or the surface rust, we're left with little patches. Those have been treated and gone off before we've had the chance to obviously etch and then underseal. And now the underseal job is complete. So here's a little glance for you, and that is protected for the winter. Well done, Jason.
Light was pretty fast.